Um, well, hi, long time no see. Um, it is another year passed, and my birthday is just around the corner, even a little closer. It's literally tomorrow, and I'm gonna be at 22. Yay! Um, and I have no idea if it's even recording right now because my mirror is here and I'm using my main camera and I'm not sure if it's recording. What? And I'm trying something new. I'm also using a new mic and I'm not sure if it's record me. And I heard it's a pain in the ass trying to connect audio and video fragments together. So, no. Anyway, I can just leave original audio. No, yeah, I can leave original audio. Вот. And this year was kind of a mess. It was pretty empty, or I just didn't remember it. I don't remember how it was. Like, I actually don't have lots of memory of what's going on, what was going on during this year. And I found myself thinking, if you disconnect me from the, for example, college, my days like goes one by one without any big difference, and I can't separate one day from another. And I know there is a whole world and a lot of things what's going on around, and there is a lot of holidays and celebrations and just the fun stuff to do, but I never remember about any of that. And the only dates I celebrate, it's then my college celebrates something. Or like, I'm forgetting about my own birthday most of the time. It's like, it's tomorrow. No, well, that's it. Вот. And I really want to change it. I want to feel the time pass. I want to feel it. What? So I think if I don't remember how days, I think if I don't remember what time is it of the year, for example, maybe I should create a reminder for myself to keep me on track, you know? What? And the digital reminders doesn't work for me. I tried like special apps, Google Calendar with, these pop-ups, but it doesn't work. I don't feel. It doesn't kick me in my mind. Something is happening. No. Вот. It's already a long... What it calls? It's a long start. It's a long start of the video. I think you got what I meant. So what? Yeah, I want to create a big calendar of what's going on around to make me remember things, stuff. What? That's pretty sad actually. Yeah. Вот. Да. So, let me show you what I'm gonna do. I put the mirror behind the camera, so sometimes I can check what's going on. That's my mic though. You can't. What? What? So sound still maybe shitty. What I was thinking. I have a lot of cardboard from the painting by numbers. There was a pictures. They hanging out on my walls, and I have a lot of them. And I can create a one big length. It's pretty long. I can put them together and use one side as 1 month. No, it's just simply a big calendar, right? Вот. But I just now realized I must draw a grid by myself. And how big it must be. It's like... Oh, I think it's good enough. What? So, let's make it. Or not. Or not, like... Should I glue them together to make it one big... I forgot the word. Should I glue them together to make one endless calendar, or should I keep them like a folding? There I can switch the months one by one. At the one point, big one-piece calendar can help me visualize the whole year, but it's not really convenient to store it. Вот. But at the other side, I have a big drawer, closet, how you call it, garderobe. Wardrobe. I have a big wardrobe here, and I can put it on the one door of it and make it hang out there. I think let's create a grid first, and then we're gonna think how it's gonna be. Yeah. Yeah, and the starting point gonna be not the Christmas or another sort of holiday, it's gonna be my birthday. So the 10th of October is gonna be like a starting point. So it's gonna be a calendar of 22nd year of me. What? Damn. I really should edit that piece. Let's get started.
Больше, слышишь? Так, ваш паук. О, не звони сюда больше. Поешь. В смысле я? Посмотрите на ваш стул, он же неадекватный. А зачем мне эти таблетки? Может, вашему стульчику пропишет их, а? Угадаешь, какой? Я выпью. Я помню. Давайте покажу вам мой рум-тур по общажной комнате. Ребята, что тут есть? Я люблю играть в футбол, значит, квадратным голом. Так вот в Майнкрафтере видят
I don't want to use a lot of paint to make a smooth surface for drawing. So I'm gonna use a lot of glue and just glue blank paper on it. I'm not gonna use a clear one. I have a lot of color charts on them. What? So I think I'm gonna put it like that, and on this piece of paper gonna be a grid, and this gonna be something colorful where I'm gonna really use paint, write, and put decorations on it. What? No. And I'm gonna stitch these places to make it actually a calendar. I tried to make it a bit different, but I got the same result and I not really like it. And I think, what if I switch the glue? And I'm gonna have a cool texture after at the border, and it's not gonna be wrinkly. Yeah.
Так, как раз таки. Сейчас за швабру другая швабра получится. Извините, дышите писей.
Can you stop doing that? I don't know how much lack of self-awareness you have to put this out.
Yeah, like, this is definitely...
Oh my god, we keep switching countries, bro. This is...
I know. Around the world.
Around the world.
Yeah.
And of course it was delicious. And then had some coffee because I quite literally could have slept for 8 years. So I made these sabajos, which you can see me making in my last video. But I didn't realize that the meat was bad.
Well, you can live a short life, but a good life, I guess.
Up over here.
You're speaking facts and logic, and that's kind of hurting me right now, right? This is,
Yeah, this is right on me, man. I will pay attention because I care about Twitter a lot.
My toast is butter.
You know what scares me the most? When people like this become moms. Because you know the child is becoming exactly like that.
Yeah, that's kind of the problem. Because I see a lot of fat kids and like,
Yeah, it's like, it's not your fault, like, I swear to God.
I feel so bad.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please stay healthy. I mean, at least our audience should know better.
We've seen it all on YouTube. Kay's cooking with Jim, whatever his name was. Gordon Ramsay making fun of cooks cooking terrible meals. But TikTok, they have an all new breed of terrible chefs and terrible cooks. Terrible recipes. They're all right here. This all comes from the TikTok Banana Loves You Too. This is apparently a compilation from them. So, yes, let's just watch. You saw the thumbnail. Let's just watch it. Alright, oh, they're doing a Case cooking one right here. Remember when she wrapped up the meat and like baked it like for 40 minutes and it came out just straight burnt? Oh yeah, that looks. This is a different one. This is even the band loves you. Getty spaghetti. Oh, cause the Getty. Oh, Getty show. I get it. Yeah. Oh, all right. I got you.
Yellow bell peppers, a special Bulgarian spice called chubrica.
Bulgarian spice. That looks like a bag of gummy bears.
Yeah, or those hard candies at Christmas that are just really awful.
Oh, yeah, the ones at your grandma's house. Gives you like thanks. Like,
You've never seen it anywhere else.
where do you even get these things?
Only at grandma's house.
Yeah, one more special ingredient.
No, nerds.
Yes. They're gonna release the sugars, and it's gonna be just enough sweet.
Why don't you just put sugar on it then in that case? I mean, you basically are because the sauce you have here it probably has tons of sugar in it, but nerds, it's going to release the sugar. I doubt it. I
This song makes some crunch.
Yeah, the nerds. This is gonna come out and be like a freaking floppy mess.
It's been 20 minutes.
Bake it for 20 minutes. Okay, there we go. Oh. Yeah, look at all the sugar that got released in that. Look at all that released sugar right there.
Yeah, wow.
And the noodles. Okay.
Amazing.
Amazing. Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh, okay. That was gross. But here's the one thing. They're
I
gonna,
thought that's where the spaghetti goes.
yeah, well,
After.
they're about to cook something in this toilet.
No.
Yeah, they are. I got you warmed up with that, whatever nerd spaghetti stuff it was. But this one, I don't know if you're ready for it, Dane.
I'm scared. I'm
I
scared.
don't know if you're ready for it. All right. First off, let's clog up the toilet. Gotta clog it up.
All around.
God, dude. I don't care. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and say this right now. I do not care how clean someone thinks this toilet is. I don't care if they hit it with bleach. I do not care. This is gross.
Very gross.
This is gross. I mean, just think about like what's underneath like the edge here, like up in here. Look how inside this. This could be a brand new freaking toilet. They went down to the Home Depot, pulled it off the shelf, and then put it on the ground. Nah. No.
Still water.
What is wrong with you? And some chocolate and whipped cream. Okay, your water freaking. I don't know what that is. Is that a rag or is that like the freaking crappy? The paper towel from the corner store. Yeah. Alright, yeah, put some cream in there. What are you talking?
I ended up with this. Must be careful because these places still need to be harder, or I'm gonna tear up the paper. I realized I need an additional layer because I have October at the beginning and at the end, and if I want to keep 1 month on one page, I need more layers. But also I realized I'm not gonna be so fast to make it done till November, so it's not a big deal if I start with November and the last month, the October, gonna be the most excited and filled part of what. So now I need to put a grid on it and mark the numbers of days and maybe put a name of each month here to not mess it up later. And I don't have a normal ruler, so I'm gonna use this flexible one. I mean, all I need is just to make points to connect them after. And I think this video gonna be done on it. And after I can make a video on every page separate, because I don't want to make it that short. I want to put a little more effort into each side, into each page of it. What? So I think I'm gonna do that off camera because it's boring process. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Yeah, it's deep night already. I just nah. Good night.